Hello beautiful people, welcome back again to the channel. Hope you guys are doing wonderfully well. Today we are making a very simple and easy puff puff recipe with just 3 ingredients. So into my bowl I will add 2 cups of self-rising flour, some Milo and also condensed milk. I will mix everything together with water. If today is your first time of seeing this channel, thanks for stopping by, and please don't hesitate to also click on the subscribe button while you hit that bell to get notified, and also like and share this video. And to my new and returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for always being there, for watching my videos. I do appreciate it a lot, and I wouldn't have been here without your support, so please stay tuned. Okay, after mixing everything, this is how it looks now, and this is the perfect consistency that I'm looking for. Since there's no yeast, I will just go ahead and start with the fry. And already my oil too is on the fire, so I will just have to check how hot the oil is, and I can see it is really hot, so I will just start frying my butter by dropping it gently into the oil. At this point, I'm just turning the puff puff so that every part will fry very well. And if you are still watching up to this time and you have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe. Please subscribe to the channel and also like and share this video so that it will reach wider audience. Okay, so the puff puff has really fried very well. Just look at this beautiful golden color. I'll just take it off from the oil and let it rest on the paper towel to drain the excess oil from it. And if you have watched up to this time, thank you so much. I do appreciate your support. It means you are part of this wonderful family. Alright fam, this is our puff puff. It looks so crunchy on the outside, very crunchy. Just look how beautiful this is. Now let's check how soft it is from the inside. As you can see, this is very soft from the inside and crunchy at the outside. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in my next video.